Right, okay. I'm going to demonstrate the fridge. Okay, it's actually quite easy when you get the concept of it, because people think, well, there's gas there, there's mains there, there's 12 volt there. Oh God, what do I do? Right, it's dead simple. When you're travelling, i.e. when the engine's started and you're driving around, you can click this little button here and you can put it on 12 volt. Everything else should be on 0. You can put it on 12 volt, which is the red one. The fridge will work directly from the alternator of the vehicle. So while you're travelling, it'll keep your fridge nice and cold. Okay. Now when you stop, if you leave it on 12 volt, it won't work. It cuts off. So when you're stopped, you need to either run it on 240 volt if you're hooking up in a campsite, or gas if you're doing a bit of wild camping or whatever's. So you've driven along, you've got it on 12 volts, it's nice and cold and whatever else is. So you've then stopped for the night. Right, so stop for the night, turn the 12 volt off. You're going to do some wild camping, so there's no 240 volt hookup. So you can't use the mains one. So the only other one is the gas. So make sure the gas is turned on in the wardrobe. Okay, and we'll turn it on to number 5 because that's the only way to do it. Turn the automatic lighter on. You can see it's flashing orange, and you probably can't hear it, but it's going trying to light. Now it's not going to light because at the moment I haven't got the flame on or anything. Okay, so turn the flame on to there. In fact, I'm going to light it for you. Let's have a look. In fact, the fridge. Turned it on in the fridge. Now this, as soon as it lights, which it now has done, has stopped igniting. So you hold it in for about 30 seconds and let go. And that now is working off gas. To turn it off, it's dead easy. Turn that off like that. That starts ticking away. Turn that off as well. Now nothing's powering the fridge. So let's assume that we're going back on the road again. So let's go back on 12 volt because we're driving 100 miles or whatever. And then we're going to stop at a campsite where there's a hookup. So we stop for the night. We turn the 12 volt off. Then we've hooked up and we turn the mains on. The mains will light up if we've got a mains hookup. And there you go. It's as easy and peasy as that. All you need to do is use one power source at one time. Gas is off, mains is off, 12 volt is off. Okay?
Opening the door.
Oh yes, opening the door. Okay. Some people have found this technically difficult. You may need 2 hands for it. Okay? That presses in and lets that button come up like that. Okay? Now that's only for its travelling position, because you'll find if you brake suddenly and that's open, it's going to bang open into there, and then your beer and your wine and your champagne and everything's all going to come out. So the easiest thing to do is while you're travelling, keep that down like that. When you get there, press that up. It might be a little bit stiff. Press that up and then use your fridge, but as you're travelling away, push it in slightly and then push that button down. Dead easy. Again, it's a little bit of practice and you'll make it perfect.